fastest way to improve productivity in friction stir welding is to take advantage of diamond friction stir welding tools produced here at Mazak Megastir. Poly-crystalline diamond has many advantages over conventional tool steels. Some of those being that the thermal conductivity is twice that of copper, so more heat is pulled out of the weld as you are friction stir welding. Diamond has a low coefficient of friction, which gives a better surface finish, and also allows you to run at higher spindle speeds and travel rates. We can join materials that really couldn't be joined before, like metal matrix composites that have carbide reinforcement, or those aluminums that have extremely high chemical wear. Diamond is the hardest material known to man, so as you can imagine, the wear of these tools is going to be phenomenal. Over 150 times more than what is seen in tool steels. So if you're looking for a simple investment with quick returns, come check out the diamond tools from Mazak Megastir.